Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Nest Wi-Fi security and block devices. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. From the home screen, tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Select the network option. Tap on Device Settings. Locate and tap on Family Wi-Fi or Site Blocking, depending on your app version. To block a specific device, scroll through the list of connected devices. Identify the device you want to block and select it. Tap on the Pause or Block option. Confirm your choice to block the device. To configure security settings, go back to the main Wi-Fi screen. Tap on Network in General. Select Advanced Network Settings. Find security options and tap on them. Adjust the settings to enable WPA3 security if supported. If not, ensure WPA2 is selected as a minimum. Review your settings to make sure they align with your security needs. Once all changes are made, tap Save or Apply to confirm. Your Google Nest Wi-Fi will now start enforcing the new security settings. Regularly check your connected devices to maintain a secure network. Return to the Wi-Fi settings periodically to review and update security configurations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.